Menteri Rangba Kajala u Konrad ke sangma hakapra tarik nai wiem ulale jurip yak Additional Secretariat Complex Tura ban kami benya yak jingpen trei ke belastang yak Syakman bat ru baneshim benta haka jinga seng duai kabaya dei baka jingtei yak ni ka complex hadakop gri Tura haka ni ka singi la sakhi yak jingalang joka jingsdang penyeng ya upaya beningkong nakabenta ka ni ka complex kabalong umaw jam bakong san haka jing persyang jong ka sorkar ban penfan ni ka jingtei nakabenta ka jing syakri haka sensyar kadar harilum garo habakren haka jingalang Menteri Rangba uloong ngilawan hang ni hatura haka jaka benyeng ka Additional Secretariat kani ka dei ka singi ka bakong san namar ngilabu yaw mau nongrim baningkong nakabenta ka ni ka project nga ay kublay kinongelam niyam ki jongi ki balawan ban pulong jingduay karpang nakabenta uni umaw nongrim kani ka Additional Secretariat kadi ka jingtei ka bakong san nakabenta kinong shnong kajala bat khamtam ni kipat ka rilum garo namar kan ay ka jing syakri kipat ba kathan bat kajala hay ki babon kilyang Menteri Rangba ulale jurip ru ikijing pentre ki barang ya Syakman bat penpau ka jing snohun ban yoi ka jing ya syat jong kam bat karukam pentre bajanai ka program ha ka singi ka kentup ru ya ka jing duai balayalam da Reverend Dilseng M Sangma bat lapen bot da ka jing the ya ka dobilan balakhle balayalam da Menteri Rangba lapen kot ya ka jingalang da ka jing duai penwai da Dr. Januarius S Sangma Principal ka Dan Bosco College Tura. Kiway pat ki balayadan lang ha ni kasngi ki kentup ya Deputy Commissioner ka West Garo Hills u Vibhor Agarwal IAS u Superintendent of Police West Garo Hills u Abraham T Sangma IPS nalor ki he officer sorkar.
We are here in Tura at the site where the Additional Secretariat will be coming up. And today is a very, very auspicious and important day because today we have laid the first foundation stone and so first foundation for this particular project. And I'm very thankful to our religious leaders, Reverend Dilseng and Father Janu, for coming and praying and blessing this particular foundation and blessing this particular Additional Secretariat. It's a great moment. For the people of the state as a whole and particularly for the people of Garo Hills, as this Additional Secretariat will serve the people of this region and the state as a whole in many, many positive ways. Thank you very much.